Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Please excuse any audio issues. Some was recorded live and some is a voiceover. Let's get into this. What I have today here is the O'2 Nails nail printer. Oh, as a little freebie, they gave me a free mask. That was really nice. I got a little card here. Little thank you card, just a little extra showing some other things that they offer. So they have the nail printers where you can literally put any picture that you want. UV lamp, table lamp. They sell acrylics, they sell polish. I also got the print gels. So I got clear and white. This is what you put on your nail right before you put your hand into print. I guess it's, some type of transfer. I bought an extra cartridge just to be on the safe side. And then the nail mask. Alright, so here's the company's website that I purchased this from. It is Beauty Innovations, and they sell quite a few things. I'm going to be speaking specifically about the nail printers. There are two styles, 800 nails and 200 nails, and these two styles come in metal or plastic. So I did get the V11 plastic series because I just felt like it would work best for what I'm looking to do. They do come in various colors. The pricing does range based on the size, capacity, as well as the metal or the plastic body. There's really no difference outside of that, metal or plastic, 800 or 200 prints. These are the colors available. The one that I chose, I did purchase the white one. Very neutral color, goes with everything. Inside of the box comes, of course, your manual. You get this with any electronic that you buy. It has here a cartridge. Like I said, I just ordered an extra one just to be safe. So also what comes with this is, I believe this is the clear one, the one that says 04. Oh, okay, no. So this is the white print gel. So this is the white print gel. You would, do your acrylic, do your nails, paint regular gel polish, however you would put that on. This is some jet cleanser. Uh-oh, it won't focus. Okay, jet cleanser, I guess to clean it out after a while. Portable nail gel light. Okay, so we'll get this plugged in so we can see exactly what that is and how it works. Power adapter, power line, and the nail holder is in this box. We have some nail guard stickers. I'm sure I'd probably have to read some instructions, see how to work that. Nail cleanser, gel remover. This is kind of similar to what you get in a poly gel kit. Finally, the big reveal. We'll open this baby up. So I did get white because I felt like it was very neutral. Oh, I didn't even realize here's more stuff. But wait, there's more. So we have a base coat. We have a top coat. We have another nail mask. If I knew these things, well, let me not say if I knew. If I would have read that these things were included, chances are I wouldn't have ordered extras. But it's no harm in having extras. Why not? What's the worst that could happen here? So like I was saying, I did get a white one. I got the plastic body because I do plan on doing mobile nail tech work. I didn't want to get the aluminum body and potentially have it be heavy, get scratched, get dinged, anything like that. But this is the nail printer itself, O'2 Nails. Okay, so it looks fairly simple. I don't see anything extra crazy on it. I know in one video I had seen this part was taken out. Okay, so yeah, this is like the inside. Here is where you would put the printing cartridge. Here is where you would, click your nail so you can get it nice and printed. There's a camera in here. All of this feeds back to an app that's on your phone. We go to the O'2 app, O'2 Nails app. There's different ideas that are in here that are available for purchasing. You can look through the gallery, see what different type of ideas you might like. I'll come a little closer. Ideas you might like, you might want to add to your nails. You also have the option of just uploading your own pictures. I wonder, yep. So this is basically once the machine is connected, you'll have a picture of your nail in here. Once it's inserted into the button, you click down, it kind of locks your finger in place. It does give a good hold. It's not painful or anything like that. And let's see, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up so that this way I can give you guys a full demo on how it's used. As an example, I'm going to be using my little red iguana hand. I use the index finger just to make it easier to stick the hand in and out. I also did take the cap off so that this way you'll be able to see inside while it's printing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a little nail cleanser, wipe down the nail. I did this nail a few days ago in nail school. It's been sitting in my train case, so I'm sure it's a little dusty. So just wipe it down nice and clean. I'm going to take the PG4, which is the one that comes with it. It's a white in color type of gel. It does not need any curing before printing. Let me make that very clear. Nice even coat. Yeah, I do think this might be like a latex or a rubber base, just based on how it smells out of the bottle. I don't know if it needs to dry or anything. There's nothing specific in the instructions that say so. But in the process, what I will do is I'll go ahead and pick a picture so that I can print it onto the nail. So I'm already in the app. Also as well, this unit here, the nails, has its very own Wi-Fi that you connect to. So connecting to the Wi-Fi is how you get this to work on your phone with the app, etc. So just gonna go in, I'm gonna select nail printing. These are just some different galleries and designs, of course, that they have, but I want to go in and connect my own. So up here at this corner, you want to select to connect to your device. It does take a little long. I'm not sure exactly how strong this little Wi-Fi's connection is, but it can take a little while. Okay, so here we go. It is connected. What I want to do first is go ahead and put the hand in. So you see it there. I'm going to click down, which pretty much holds the finger in place. This button here in the corner, I'm going to be selecting a picture of my business logo. Now that the picture is there, this little circle here on the side allows you to change the shape and the length of the nail that you're working with. I'm trying to get the sides good, but it just keeps shifting. There we go. Okay. Kind of move that finger a little bit, get it more centered. Since it is a practice hand, it does seem to kind of be doing its own thing. Also, there is a button here next to the OK button. This is what you would press to make it transparent so that you can see. So let's say you had a picture that was mostly black. You wanted to be able to see through it. That's what you would click so you can see exactly where everything is going to lay out on the nail. So now that I have that done, I'm just gonna press OK. Are you ready to print? I'm gonna press yes. And here we go. Okay, so it's saying that the printing is complete. It's okay to take the finger out now. That looks really cool. So here is the finished product. Glamorous by KJI. I'll see if it'll focus when I zoom. Here we go. So Glamorous by KJI. Printed out on the nail. Okay, so now that that's done, just gonna take a little bit of the top coat. I'm also going to be using their LED lamp. Put your hand in there like that. It's a little timer on top. 30, 60, 90, 120. You open it up. But when I get ready to do my nails, we will test it out. Oh. Did y'all see that? Okay, so I did redo it. A crucial step that you don't want to miss, which I did, was curing after you come out of the machine. So you don't want to cure before you go in the machine, but immediately afterwards you want to cure for 60 seconds and then you top coat. So like I said, this comes with a very cute little convenient lamp that can attach. I'm gonna give it 90 seconds just to be safe. I don't want to make any other stupid little mistakes. Alright, so that's done. Once it's cured, it does give it this like a matte look. So once it's cured, it gives it this matte look. Now I did top coat these nails with the top coat that came with the machine, but you can also use your own top coat. Even matte top coat works well also. This is the finished product of the nails. I did play around with a little bit of other ideas. You see, I did redo the first nail. I added some butterflies. I added another butterfly to the ring finger, and everything printed out perfectly and worked very well. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my unboxing and review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you saw. I'll catch you on the next one.